Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the 2016 Ford Fusion battery. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the battery. Wear safety gloves and eye protection and have your tools ready. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, remove hold-down hardware, swap the old battery for the new 12V unit, and reconnect terminals securely. In this video, I will show how to replace the 2016 Ford Fusion battery. Prepare tools and prioritize safety, working with a buddy if possible. Disconnect the negative terminal first to reduce risk, and avoid touching both terminals with metal tools. Keep a clean workspace and have baking soda and water on hand to neutralize any battery acid. Proper preparation makes the swap faster and safer for you and the car. In this video, I will show how to replace the 2016 Ford Fusion battery. After safety checks, loosen and remove the negative cable, then the positive cable. Unbolt the hold-down clamp and carefully lift the battery out using proper lifting technique. Check the battery tray and terminals for corrosion and clean with baking soda solution if required. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center or an auto parts store that accepts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.